Hi, I'm Lexie Lyons with Whissel Realty Group, and I'm here to talk about helping you get your home sold for the most money possible so you can get where you want in the time you want. When you hire me to list your home, you'll get an entire team of professionals at Whissel Realty Group. And we have a proven track record of getting our sellers top dollar. You might be wondering, what makes me different from all the other agents out there? I have a proven plan of action that includes our 7-day listing launch. One of the many additional things you'll get when working with me is you will get a coming soon campaign for your home. You will get amazing photography, including twilight photos. You'll get floor plans for your home for the marketing. And you will get an extensive marketing program. You also get to work with our outstanding support staff. We have checklists and systems so the whole process of selling your home is easy and smooth. Additionally, I give you a communication guarantee, so you know exactly what's going on every step of the way as I sell your home. So if you're looking to get your home sold, then I look forward to helping you get what you want in the time you want. Won't that be great?